Have you ever felt like life controls you instead of you controlling life? You let anger take over. You let people's opinions shake you. You let fear and doubt stop you from moving forward. That is what happens when you surrender your inner power. But Buddhism teaches something very different. You don't have to give away your power. You don't have to live like a victim of circumstances. You can stay calm, choose your response, and build a life full of strength and clarity. In this video, I'll share with you Buddhist teachings on how to stop giving away your power and how to thrive no matter what life throws at you. Stay until the end, because the last teaching is the one that will help you protect your peace forever. Why people surrender their power. Most people don't even realize when they surrender their power. They get angry because of someone's insult. They feel crushed by failure. They let fear stop them from trying. They let other people's approval decide their worth. This is like giving your keys to someone else and letting them drive your car, but the car is your life. The Buddha explained that suffering comes from ignorance, not seeing clearly. We think we are powerless because we don't understand the nature of our mind and reality. But once you see clearly through mindfulness and insight, you realize you always had power inside. 11 teachings to stop surrendering your power. 1. Don't let anger control you. Anger feels strong in the moment, but it makes you weak afterwards. The Buddha compared anger to holding a burning coal. You are the one who gets burned first. Practice. When anger rises, pause. Take 3 breaths. Silently say, "This is anger. I see you." Naming it creates space between you and the emotion. True power is staying calm when others lose control. 2. Don't live for approval. Living for praise and fearing criticism makes you a prisoner of others' opinions. The Buddha taught, as a solid rock is not shaken by the wind, so the wise are not moved by praise or blame. Practice. Each morning, remind yourself, my value comes from my actions, not others' opinions. 3. Don't fear change. Life is always changing. Fear of change keeps you trapped. The Buddha taught impermanence. Anicca. Joy passes, pain passes, everything passes. Practice. When facing change, repeat, this too shall pass. Flow with change instead of resisting it. 4. Don't let the past or future steal today. Dwelling on the past or worrying about the future robs you of your present power. The Buddha said, do not dwell on the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Practice. Pause right now. Feel your breath. Notice one thing you're grateful for. 5. Don't cling to what you can't control. Try to control everything only creates frustration. Buddhism teaches equanimity, balance in gain and loss, praise and blame, pleasure and pain. Practice. Ask yourself, is this in my control? If yes, act wisely. If no, let it go. 6. Don't let greed blind you. Greed whispers, not enough, but it never ends. The Buddha called greed a poison. The cure is contentment. Practice. Write down 3 blessings daily. Gratitude turns greed into peace. 7. Don't react, respond. Reacting is automatic. Responding is mindful. Zen teaches, when angry, be silent. Practice. Next time something annoys you, pause. Breathe. Respond with awareness. Even silence can be a response. 8. Don't poison yourself with hatred. Hatred is poison you drink, hoping someone else suffers. The Buddha said, hatred never ends by hatred. Hatred ends only by love. Practice. Instead of feeding hatred, send compassion. May they find peace. May I remain in peace. 9. Don't surround yourself with negativity. The people you spend time with shape your mind. The Buddha taught, associate with the wise, avoid the foolish. Practice. Choose uplifting company, wisdom, and calm influences. Protecting your environment is protecting your mind. 10. Don't forget to train the mind. Your mind is like a wild monkey. Without training, it jumps everywhere. Meditation is how Buddhists train the mind. Practice. Sit for 10 minutes daily. Focus on your breath. Let thoughts come and go. Over time, the mind becomes unshakable. 11. Don't give away the present moment. Your true strength is here now. Zen masters say, this moment is enough. Right here is peace. Practice. Wherever you are, remind yourself, I am here. This moment is my power. The freedom of taking back your power. When you stop surrendering your power, anger no longer controls you. Approval no longer defines you. Fear of change no longer traps you. Negativity no longer poisons you. You begin to live with clarity. You respond instead of react. You walk your path with peace, no matter what others say or do. This is the freedom the Buddha spoke of, the freedom inside your own mind. Daily routine to stay in control. Morning. Begin with 3 mindful breaths and gratitude. Daytime. Pause before reacting. Choose your response. When upset, ask, is this in my control? Evening. Reflect on one moment you stayed calm. Before sleep, send compassion to yourself and someone else. Small steps every day build unshakable power. Final reflection, be like the mountain. Zen masters say, be like a mountain. Winds may blow, storms may come, but the mountain remains. Life will always test you with insults, failures, and change. But if you remain like the mountain, steady, calm, unshaken, you never surrender your power. From today, remember, your power is inside. Don't give it away. Thank you for watching BodhiRipple and exploring. Don't surrender your power. 11 Buddhist teachings to take control and thrive. If this video gave you strength, please like, comment, and subscribe for our channel. Until next video, stay strong, stay mindful, and let the ripples of wisdom guide your life.